Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In this video, we'll take a look at a very different template than we have taken a look at in the past. This one is called Memories Scrapboard. So, what is this Memories Scrapboard? First, let's take a look at what a scrapbook is. A scrapbook is a book of blank pages where people can, cut pictures and paste them in it, or write some messages, or stick some notes, and just do whatever. So it's a very free form uh, notebook, and it's usually used to share memories around, or to write messages for someone else. Now, because this is a Miro board, we are calling this a scrap board instead of a scrapbook, and I've just titled it as a Memories Scrapboard. So, the link for this template will be available in the description of this video, but this is really what it looks like. So you get this template over here, which you can copy. Some instructions over here, which we'll also go through in a minute. Essentially, just explaining what a scrapboard and book is, and just as an example, if there was this person's farewell happening soon, what would you want to do with it? So obviously, there's this white canvas where you can write your messages, do your stuff in it, put some pictures in it, but you can also spice it up with some of these stickers, and obviously some of the Miro stickers as well, which is available. So just um, put a handful of I've only put a few of them here, and I've created a few of them here. So let's say if you were putting a picture, you could like use these tapes to tape the picture on the board, or you could put them in one of these boxes here, and look, it might end up looking quite retro. So if we take a look at the example, this is what the example looks like. So let's say if it was Jane's farewell, people would have written some messages for her, added some stickers, and also some of their pictures that they have taken with Jane, and put some, use these tapes to make it a bit more uh, beautiful. And even like this as well. Instead of just placing the photo, you can put that in that box, and it just looks a little bit more beautiful. And so, yeah, this is the template. This is the description. Feel free to have a read through it, like it, share it with your network. And then, of course, you can click this blue button to use this template onto a new board or onto an existing board. And the link again, once again, is available in the description of this YouTube video. And that was really it. That was a quick description of Memories Scrapboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. So until then, take care.